Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make affiliate table or product comparison table. Let's say you have an affiliate table and you want to make with affiliate table or comparison. In this video you can learn how you can make this with WooCommerce. With WooCommerce we will show you how you can make without the second plugin. So let's get started. You can see here I have some product here. I want this product for affiliate market. If not affiliate market, you can also make your own store with WooCommerce. Okay, now you see here I have three product here. I want to compare them. I choose one for compare, another here, 1 and 2. You can see here I have here choose two product, 1, 2. So just click and you can see here product image, product name, image, price, and description here, description, brand name, model, everything you can see here is become simply. And then I also check with this platform to my smartphone. Also on a smartphone is very responsive, so you don't need to worry about it. So you can see here I also add the buy button action. Okay, buy button on Amazon. Okay, in the stock, everything you can make like this with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is you need WooCommerce plugin to make this affiliate market or compare to between two product. You can also make three product, also no problem. You add here, just click three product, also can compare each other. Okay, you need this plugin only. WooCommerce is one of the best. So when you buy a website or domain hosting, I recommend you buy from Hostinger, because I use Hostinger. Hostinger, you buy this business plan. You buy this business plan, so you can get WooCommerce for advanced feature. You can see Hostinger say you can add more than 500 product. So you buy here. If you buy basic plan, you will get only 100 product. If you buy business plan, you will get a lot of product to publish on your website. Either you do affiliate market or you sell your own product on your store. Okay. So if you want buy this product, you can let me know in my email. I will drop my email in the description. So you buy through my link, you will get 20% discount. Also, I will get some commission. If you buy with my referral link, you buy with my coupon, you will get free Elementor. I will give you Premium Elementor for free. Or if you want theme, GeneratePress theme, I will give you GeneratePress theme for free. But you must buy through my link, and then you send the screenshot to my email, and I will send you Elementor Pro or GeneratePress theme for lifetime. I will give you free both of them if you want. Okay, so let's get start how you can do that. Okay, here first we need you must have WooCommerce. So WooCommerce you can install here. Now we need only two plugins to do this. Okay, one is WooCommerce. Okay, another is you just type here compare. Okay, I will show you compare. After you type here compare, and you will get some plugin. You can see here I just type here compare. Okay, and then go scroll down. You see here Addonity compare product for WooCommerce. You will need this plugin. This plugin will help us compare between 2 or 3 products. Okay, just install. I know this video a bit will longer, but you watch until the end. You will learn how you can make a compare product in your website, or you do affiliate market in your website. You don't need other pay plugin, since you can do with free plugin. Okay, WooCommerce also free. This one also free. You just need website and hosting to do compare product like I show you just now. Okay, so our plugin is already installed here. Okay, now we go to WooCommerce. Here you can see here product WooCommerce and product. Click to category. Okay, now we will make one category for compare. Okay, you can put slug here compare between 2 or more product. That's simple. You just leave also, but if you want to put also can. Okay, this is not necessary. Okay, now we just click save. Now we create one, we make here one category under WooCommerce product category. Okay, don't go to the post category here. Post category not WooCommerce product and category. Okay, you can see here compare product. Okay, I also selling ebook on my this website. Okay, so now what we do, we go to our appearance and menu. Go to appearance and menu. We need to add this compare category to our main menu. You can see here I have menu here. I have menu skincare, beauty, personal care, spray and perfume, books, ebook. This is my store. Okay, I want to add the compare category amount about header. Okay, now we go here category. You can see here we just make the okay. Now we don't find the category, just we create on WooCommerce. So what we do, we will go here customize. Some WooCommerce support here to arrange their category, but since I cannot find here my category, I do go here direct to my website, and you will find the WooCommerce category to add to this main place. Okay, now you see here we have got our customization, and go to menu, and where is our main menu? Okay, main menu is here, home to, and then here we need to add a category. So we go here category, product category, and get the category here. Compare just now we make. Okay, so I want product category around here. Okay, and then publish. Okay, after publish, you can see the category we already added in the section. Okay, you can see here we have compare category. You can see here we have compare category, but nothing now product yet. So now we will add some product here with comparison each product. Okay, now we go here WooCommerce and product and add new. Okay, and then we go to Amazon affiliate. Since I am selling the beauty product, so I want to delete. I want to download the image here. Skin here. Okay, now I want to add the product description first. You just copy here. Paste the product description, and then take the product detail, copy and paste here. Okay, paste here, and if you want to add more product detail, you just copy this, copy and paste it here, and we make this header number 3. Okay, here we got product detail, product name, and also title. Now we go to add product image. Product image just now we have download from the Amazon. So I just type here skincare. Okay. Now we have image, also product image, and then what we do here, now we need to add product. I don't know what SEO you use, but you can adjust here SEO, meta title, or other things. But now we are going product price and everything here. Okay, product data here you can see here simple product. Okay, now we choose here affiliate, external and affiliate product. Make sure you choose here external affiliate product, and now here we need to add our affiliate Amazon affiliate link. So whenever customer click, they can reach to this. So I already joined affiliate. If you want to know how to do, you can search on YouTube. Okay, we get the link and paste it here. Okay, and then buy, you just write here, check on Amazon, and then price, how much is selling now. Before price, list price 14999. Okay, regular price. Now you can add discount price 11994. 11994. This is our discount price, this is regular price. If your product no have discount price, you just put regular price here, this just leave empty. Okay, now What we do, MP3, you can see here MP3 how much the product you can just put, and the link, if you have already posted here other product, you can add the link here, just type the name and will be appear. And then attributes here, you can just write going offer 20%. Okay, this we need to add extra information about the product, because this product going 20% off, you can see here 20% off. Okay, and then you just click it. So now here what we do, product description, short description. To get description, we go Amazon again and just copy this brand name and detail. Copy and paste it here. You can see here with the table, with beautiful table, it's appeared already. Okay, now our product is ready to publish. We got the title, name, description, image, Amazon affiliate link, product detail, everything. Now we go publish to our website. Okay, here before publish, you choose the category you created for the product. We created this for compare product. Okay, compare and choose the category and publish. Okay, so our product already published to the category. Now we refresh. You can see here we have just add one product. Okay, you can see here check on Amazon, showing the product category. If you click here, you can see full detail of the product name, brand name, color, everything here. You can see more detail here. Okay, when customer click the link, they will reach to the Amazon affiliate store. Now the same way we will add another product. Go to add new and come to Amazon and choose here. We will choose another product in this type. Okay, let's say we will go this product. Save the image. This one is web file. This one not possible for us to save the image. Get another. Try this image. Okay, this can. Just name the picture. Now take the description. Take the full description product name. Go here. Paste the title. And take the half starting title for the title name. This we will make start heading and get the product full description. Paste it here and add the product image. We just save the product image removable. Take and then our product image already added. Now we go to here, choose the affiliate link, affiliate product, external and affiliate product, and get the Amazon affiliate product link. Paste it here and get the action button. Check on Amazon and get the price. This one price is also I think same product, but we will show in to you to make a comparison with the affiliate. Okay, regular price is 199 example and 1196, and then here we will add the product description. Go to Amazon, take the product description, paste it here, done. Okay, so this is very easy to do with Amazon affiliate and with WooCommerce. You don't need another plugin to make table and do this, do that. Okay, and choose the category, compare, and publish. Okay, now we just published two products. Now let's go to see how to compare the product with each others. You can see here we have two products here, each product with different picture and different price, but this is same I use for your example. You can use other product. Okay, now we need to make compare with one and another. Okay, now we go to our plugin Addonity. The plugin is here you find. Okay, we go to all plugin and we need to activate the plugin we install here. You can see Addonify. Addonity will make the compare our product on this. And here you see enable login. No, this one off, because to compare product customer take time to log and make do this. So don't on this on, and single page also on, pop up, and you can see here you can choose the category. Okay, if you want to choose the category, you can choose here category. Let's say compare product. Our button level is compare, show icon. This icon will be show upon the compare product. Okay, you can off here some things here: rating off, description on, price on, image on, title on, ability on, wide off, dimension off, attribution on, additional information, add to cart on. Okay, now sub change, go our store. Now I refresh, you can see here appear to compare the product. Okay, now I want to show you how to compare. Click and choose another, choose 1, 2, 3, 4 also can, but here we have 2 products. We will compare this and hit the compare. You can see here you can compare the product name, title, product name, image, price. Okay, brand name, color, power source, item wide, water resistant, all you can see here with the table and image, price and availability in stock. This one I put the attribution there, going offer 20% is showing here, and the action button is check on Amazon. When customer visitor click, they will reach direct to the Amazon link. Okay, this is how you can use a comparison category in your website for affiliate market or your own product. If this is your own product, you want to make this sell within your shop, within your website, make sure upon you go here, upon you adding the product, okay, make sure you choose here simple product. Don't choose affiliate. You choose simple product for one product. If you have group product, by one time 3-4 product, you choose group product. If digital product, you choose here digital product for download, customer pay and send instantly to download file to customer email. Okay, this is how you will make your website to sell product, or you make affiliate product. You will see how beautifully happen. Now visitor come here, they want to compare, they choose and they can compare each product. So this is the video how you can make comparable table and product within your website. Also you can check this on a smartphone also, very nice. With a smartphone I will show you. To your smartphone you can also make this very nice. You can see here 2 product. Now we are on a responsive version on a smartphone. Okay, choose here 2 product and compare. You can see here very beautiful with a smartphone. So this is the way how you can make a comparison product without a paid plugin, like a lot of plugin, right? Table, a lot of. So you subscribe my channel, and then if you are going to do affiliate marketing in 2024, you buy this plan, good for you. I know it's a bit expensive, but you choose for 48 months. Hostinga is #1 web hosting provider in this time. You buy from Hostinga is good for you, and also we need WooCommerce for our affiliate or own product. Okay, you can add more than 500. This is too much product. Okay, if you want to buy this, you can buy through my link. I will share my referral link. I will share you my referral link. You click through my link, or you drop your email. I will put here your email and invite you. You will get 20% off. Okay, let's say I invite you through your email. I will put your email here and invite you. You will get 20% off. Otherwise, I will put this referral link. You can buy. After I invite you, you will get a message from Hostinga. You will get here. You will get 20% off, because I invite you, and also I will get a small commission. Okay, so if you use my referral link, I will give you Elementor Pro for lifetime. Elementor Pro is very good to build a website, or GeneratePress for your team. I will give you free lifetime update. Okay, whenever Elementor new update come, I will send you link. You update again. So you do favor to me, I will help you. So thanks for watch and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.